Good morning, madam. My name is LIM. Matrix number SB22032. I am from Group 6. Our presentation's topic is the hazard at a construction site. There are many different types of hazard can found at a construction site. Today in my presentation, I will focus on the physical hazard. Physical hazard can be present in every construction site, which are the different type of energy that can harm the construction workers. They might include, the first is noise, radiation, heat stress, and also the vibration. The first one, noise hazard. The sound level in most construction sites are in 80 to 90 dBA, which is a level that is not immediately painful but can have long-term hearing effect. Like the effect of the noise hazard will be the depression and also the hearing loss. There are several factors influence the noise level that workers exposed to. For example, is the loud machinery, vehicles, and also the physical works such as hammering, drilling, and also digging. There are some preventions to avoid this noise hazard. For example, is the engineering control, which is by reduced noise hazard at the source, like putting damping sound radiating panels. Second, administrative control, like change the quieter methods of works. For example, replace production equipment or part of it, and also prevent or reduce the propagation, like set up sound absorption ceiling and also the wall panels. The third one is PPE, like the workers can wear some protective gloves and also the hearing protection. Second one is vibration. Vibration can separate from two types. First is the hand-arm vibration, HAV, and also whole body vibration, HBV. HBV is caused by the regular exposure to high level of vibration from handheld tools and also the equipment. For example, the tools in the construction site have grinders or root breakers, chainsaws, and also some cut-off saws. This HAV can cause tingling, numbness, weakened grip, or also discoloration. And the HBV is caused by sitting, standing, or lying on a vibrating surface. It can cause headache, motion sickness, chronic back pain, stomach problem, and also some sleep problems. There are some prevention for this vibration hazard. For example, alternative between the vibrating and also non-vibrating tools. Second, allow the workers to take 10 to 15 minutes rest for each hours. Third one is heat stress. The factors that can contribute to heat stress can separate from environment factor and also non-environment factors. The environment factors easily can see from that is the air temperature become very high and also the air velocity become low and the relative humidity become high. And for another hand, the non-environment factor is like personal factors, which is their clothing, health conditioner, and also hydrating. The symptoms of heat stress include heat rash, heat cramp, heat exhaustion, heat stroke. There are some prevention to avoid this heat stress, including evaluating worksite conditions, ensuring water is available, implanting rest schedule, and also installing shade canopies. The last but not least, which is the radiation. Radiation can see from the word. This hazard is come from ionization, which is a process of adding one or more electrons to or removing one or more electrons from atoms or molecules, thereby creating ions. This or radiation can easily come from high temperatures, electrical discharge, or nuclear radiation, which can cause the ionization. Ionizing radiation is any radiation capable of displacing electrons from atoms, thereby producing ions. Hence, the high dose of ionizing radiation can have a severe effect, like will cause our skin to have severe damage and also will damage our tissues. There are a principle that apply in this radiation hazard, which is called ALARA. It's a sentence like as low as reasonably achievable. Although we cannot avoid the radiation, but we try to minimize it. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.